Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good and healthy. So, करियर डिफ़िकल्ट है या करियर चूज़ करना डिफ़िकल्ट है? करियर कैसे चूज़ किया जाता है? करियर चूज़ करते वक्त क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए? ऐसे हज़ारों सवाल मुझे मेरे टाइम पे आए थे. I swear, आपके दिमाग में भी ये सारे सवाल आपके करियर चूज़ करते वक्त आते होंगे. सो हेलो, मैं हूँ श्रुति और आप देख रहे क्लिक साइकी विद श्रुति. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सारी करियर रिलेटेड चीज़ें बताने वाली हूँ जो कि आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट और फ़ायदेमंद रहने वाली है. इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना, क्योंकि लास्ट में आपके करियर चूज़ करते वक्त क्या क्या करना चाहिए और क्या क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीज़ों का नॉलेज आपके पास होगा. अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर दीजिए प्लीज़, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए, बिकॉज अब मेरा जो अपकमिंग वीडियोस है, जो आने वाले वीडियोस है, उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको पहले मिल जाए.
So, how to choose the right path? Because right path is very important while choosing a career. Let's see. Why choosing the right career is very essential. Because जो मेंटल हेल्थ और इमोशनल हेल्थ है हमारा, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज यार व्हेन वी आर चूजिंग द आर करियर, और जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, वी शुड नॉट टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट इन दैट, वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड इन दैट. तो जो हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ है वो डिस्टर्ब रहेगा, और उसकी वजह से हमारा इमोशनल हेल्थ भी डिस्टर्ब रहेगा, क्योंकि हम वो चीज़ में पैशनेट ही नहीं है, हमें इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, तो वो काम जो है वो हम ठीक से नहीं करेंगे, राइट. सो व्हेन यू फाइंड अ करियर दैट यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, it can significantly improve your mental and emotional health. Strong, very stable, you can say. You will be satisfied about that. Okay, so next is financial stability. Is we are choosing a career where we are having interest, we are having passion, but do that career give us the financial stability? So choose a career that offers a financial stability is essential to build a secure future for you, for your family, your loved ones. Personal growth. Well, it's important because choosing a career that challenges you and allows you for your growth can be incredibly rewarding experience. So choose a career that gives a challenge and allow you to grow. Factors to be considered while choosing a career: personal interest and passions. So if you are not having interest in that career, if you are not having passion to that career or that field, you will not work that much interestly, that much hardworkly. So start by identifying the things that you have interest and explore the career paths. There are various careers, there are various fields, so explore the career path that aligns with them, what you have in your interest part. Skills and aptitude. So consider the skills and aptitude that come naturally to you, and which career paths offers opportunity for you to build and utilize these skills. So learning skills is the another part, but having a natural skill is very important, and having the natural skill give us the point कि we can do that work because we have that skill. Next is job market and demand. So choose the career which field is having high demand, or in future that career, that field will be in demand. So it's essential to research the labor market and identifying that the job opportunities that are in demand to ensure long-term career success. short term will be not going to work. So think about long term. Exploring career paths. We are choosing the career path very shortly, so we think there are only 4 to 5 field or 4 to 5 career, like science doctorate, commerce accountant or finance, or arts means teacher or something else. No, there are various things. You should explore that, researching in various industries and professions, and identifying ones that align with your interest, your skill, your goals will help you to choose your career. So do exploring things, do researching things very much. There are various, like YouTube, Google, ChatGPT. There are various things where you can search and they will give you the right answer. Networking. Talk to professionals in different fields, attend career fairs and networking events to gain insights and new information. There are various career fairs happens in colleges, in universities. There are networking events, so go and attend that. There are workshops, go and attend that, so you will get to know various things, various opportunities. You will get to know new information about that career. Talk to the professional. If you want to become a doctor, so go to a doctor who is already in that field. Talk to them how, so he can or she can help you to get to know ki, yeah, you have to do that thing, what exam is important, is compulsory, which colleges are the best. So go and talk to the professional in different fields. Mentorship. Seek guidance from mentors and career counselor who can help you make informed career decision. So there are career counselors, there are mentors who help the students, uh, who help the person to choose their career, to take the decision, to take the right decision about their career. Decision making process. We have chosen, we have taken the career, like मुझे ये बनना है वो बनना है, okay. What are the factors we have seen? So now it's time to take the decision. So what the process is it? So evaluate, write down the strength. What do you have strength? What do you have weakness? So work on your weakness, identify your strength and weakness to understand the areas that you may need to work on it. So if you identify that ki this is my weakness, so you can work on your weakness and make your weakness your strength. Okay, next is goal setting and priorities. Set your goal, realistic goal and priorities based on your interest, your career, aspiration and personal circumstance, because setting goal you should have in your life. It will help you to grow in your life. Be clear about your future. Set your priorities, because priorities is must. You should know, yeah, this is my priority first, second, third. So set your goal and priorities like that. Consider long-term career prospects. Think about long-term, not short-term career. Whatever you are choosing the career, that should be demand in future too, not only in presence. So think about your long-term career aspiration and consider the career paths that offers opportunity and growth and advancement. So it's time to take the action. So while taking action, you should keep in mind developing necessary skills and qualification. So identify the skills what you have or what the career you have chosen required that skills and qualifications. So it take a step and acquire necessary knowledge through education, training, work experience, career fairs, and take a lot of knowledge about that field. So first of all, identify what which skill do you need for that career, that field, and what qualification do you need for that. Second thing is building a professional network. Networking is important to build strong relationship, because in professional work networking is must to grow up, grow in your job, grow in your field. So to gain insights about the job market and opportunities, attend professional events and conference to connect with like-minded professionals. So there are workshops, events, conferences, so you can get connected with professionals regarding to your field, your career. Third is continuously learning and adapting. Continuously learning is very important. It's very essential for your career success. Keep up to date yourself, like जैसे फ़ोन में अपडेट का सिस्टम होता है, so keep, there is a button for that. So keep up to date yourself with your industry trends and developments, and stay adaptive to changes in your field. You should be able to adapt the changes which comes in your field. The last, align your career with personal goals and values. So choosing a career that aligns with your personal goals and values can lead to a fulfillment and rewarding life. There should be a personal goals. Everyone's have their own values, own faiths. So it's actually important to grow in your life, in your future. Next is keep exploring and learning. How much you can do exploring thing very much, I will say. At least see 6 to 7 videos or 4 to 5 videos, because regarding to your career, not anything else, and take the information, learn various things, stay curious, and keep exploring new opportunities and possibilities to grow and advance in your career. So it will help you to grow your future.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली होगी इस वीडियो से. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, लाइक करना मत भूलना प्लीज़, और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार.